Let's learn how you can delete all your videos on TikTok. So if you have a couple of videos, or even hundreds of videos on your TikTok profile that you want to delete and start with a fresh new profile, then I'll show you a couple of different methods on how you can delete all videos at once. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. And this works for both iOS and Android devices. Let's open our TikTok app and go to our profile. Now the classical way of deleting TikTok videos is to open a video which you want to delete, then tap on the three dots at the right side of the screen, and after that scroll down until you can see this delete button. That is how we can easily delete videos on TikTok, but this is a good solution if you have a couple of videos. If you have hundreds of videos, then deleting them this way can be boring and time-consuming, so we will use another method. What you want to do is to go back to your TikTok profile, then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to the Settings and Privacy option. When you open the TikTok settings, click on this privacy section, and one of the options that we have is to enable this private account option. This will make our TikTok account private, and what this means is that anybody who is not following you on TikTok will not be able to see any of your videos. Only your followers will be able to see your profile and the videos which you had posted, but other people that don't follow you won't be able to see your videos. But if you don't want to make a private account, then I have two more solutions for you, and the last one is probably the best. The next step that you want to do is to go back and then tap on the first section, which is Account, and then Deactivate or Delete Account. We have the option to deactivate our account, and that way people on TikTok won't be able to find our profile and they cannot see the videos that we post on there. But we can also delete our TikTok account and start a brand new one. But if you have a lot of followers on your profile and you worked hard for that account, then I have a solution for you. You want to go back to the Settings and Privacy page and then scroll down until you can see this Report a Problem option. Click on that and then find the Submit a Report button. That will open this little text box where we want to type the message to the TikTok team directly. We have to send them a report, explain to them what the problem is. Tell them that you want to delete all of the videos from your profile at once and that you have hundreds of them so you can't do it manually. Kindly ask them to resolve your issue as soon as possible, and they should reply within a day or two, and you can talk to them and they should help you delete all your TikToks at once. So if any of these helped you out, leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.